Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add in Excel. I know it's just too simple thing, so let's just do it quickly. So I will show you two ways to do that. At first, let's do it manually. What we would do is just click on, we are using formula here, so we would click on the equals to button and write sum well, and then put first bracket and select the values and then close it, and here you can see the sum total is appeared here. So what we will do if we want this automatically, so what we will do is just go to this auto sum option and click on the sum button and click on the entire select this entire range we want to be summed up. So again, click on the enter button. Here you can see both of them are the summary, or you can do with with the same with this following digits. Then you can see these are the same digits what we have found out from manually and from the auto sum option. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.